rolling it in something called frit. Small pieces of glass broken into chunks.
I'm here. 刚才能做一点玻璃从后面后有500多磅的玻璃，温度2180°C，2160°C。后里面的玻璃没有颜色，要换颜色的话用这个方法，转来转去，这个蓝色的好像沙子就是玻璃，给它弄花，用这个方法变颜色。
Now Lynn is coming over to the reheating tank. It's 2400 degrees, and he's going to fuse the frit to the outside skin of the glass.
那另外一个火，那个火炉没有玻璃，专门用烧的而已，温度高一点。
That temperature is so very, very hot. It's a fire that's fueled by forced air and natural gas.
两个火炉内气烧的。
Very hot glass, and Lynn is going to use a variety of tools. This one is called a block. It's made out of cherry wood.
这在台那个板子给它用平，我们用的板子大部分是硬泡沫。
So the wood is kept wet all the time, and it makes a bit of steam in contact with the wood.
它的那个铁管是不锈钢，那个洞在中间，好像吸管。刚才在吹口气到里面，一个泡现在有出来的这个膜里面。
So that puff of air that Lynn put in the hollow pipe went in as a bubble. It's a bubble that's about the size of a golf ball.
对，现在我们知道里面有一个泡，不管它要做什么，大部分的都是这样的开始。
Tools that Lynn's using are all made out of Native American wood, out of cherry wood, and he's shaping that very expertly.
所以板子给它用平，它有这个滑顶，它的玻璃还不够，现在等温度下来一点，再回来说把它测试这里的玻璃。
So that's compressed air that Lynn is cooling the glass with so that it gets a bit firmer.
一定要等温度下来。
Now it's back into the tank. This glass is hotter than molten lava, and Lynn's going to gather about 2 to 3 times as much clear glass as he started with.
几秒钟的时间继续说它的玻璃在这个温度，这个玻璃就会凤梨一样很软。
That glass is hot again because of all of the energy in it. This tank is at 2100 degrees Fahrenheit.
现在用另外一个板子给它用平。
This is a larger block. It's same wood, same water it's kept in, and it's that steam that fits it to ride on reduce the friction between the glass and the wood.
这就放那个板子在水里面，所以转来转去的时候，上面那个水分也会慢慢在用平。现在用板子稍微给它用长一点。
Lynn constantly keeps the glass blowpipe turning. Now he's using wood to elongate the gather. See how hot it is from the fire there.
可以看，不管人做什么，一直在转这个铁管，就它停下来，玻璃马上往下去。
Very important that the glass not cool below 900 degrees, and so Lynn will go very frequently back to the reheating tank to reheat the glass to keep it above 900 degrees.
温度很重要，但过去再烧，等一下它要放进这个模型。会吹到里面，它满满的里面，拿出来你会看形状不一样。
Now Lynn drops that glass into the mold. It's made out of aluminum. It's cold, so the glass doesn't stick. He blows to expand it to get it to take that shape.
吹到里面，给它满满的里面，它现在放进去火炉，可以看比较清楚在旁边。现在有的地方比较厚，有的地方比较薄。
The views on the screens up on the right and on the left are in the back of that tank where Lynn is now. He's keeping the glass hot all of the time.
等一下会开始慢慢的吹这个玻璃。
Here again, a wooden paddle made out of cherry wood elongates the piece, and now Lynn will puff into it no more than you do your balloon to get it to expand.
就是一步一步开始吹，在这个温度吹玻璃很容易，差不多拿一个吹气球一样。
Here you can see how dramatically that expands.
现在是圆圆的，可是它要做一个滑饼。这次它烧以后，它会转来转去，用地心力给它用长一点。
And even though I don't understand Mandarin Chinese, I know that John just told you that Lin's going to come out, and you'll see in a moment he's going to elongate that shape by using gravity and his skill. Look at that.
所以温度很重要，假如温度太高的话，那个玻璃马上到底。
Very artistic.
还有再一次。
That constant heat is something that Lin is bathing the glass in to keep it pliable, and so he can shape it.
慢慢的越来越长。
Yeah. That bright orange color is the great heat that goes into the glass. Now Lin is taking something called jacks. They're made out of stainless steel, and he's going to make a constriction. He's going to thin the glass together down there.
所以它夹这个地方到最后会断在那边，因为变成瓶口，所以那个地方很重要。它恢复在那边2、3次。
This is called a jack line, and it will be the future mouth of the vase that Lin will work later in the project called the jack line.
现在它稍微到的这个温度，在这个花瓶的底，因为我们要花瓶的底比较厚一点。
That forced air is to cool the glass there. Lin wants it to remain a bit thicker, so that's the bottom of the vase that will have some substance in it when he's done.
所以现在过去烧比较多就是那个花瓶的底，所以在它吹的时候都是那个地方稍微宽一点。
This furnace at 2,400 degrees is 1/4 of the temperature of the sun's surface. It's unimaginably hot.
可以看到玻璃里面同一个相机有一片硅化玻璃，那一样的玻璃用在太空船的窗户，所以这个玻璃不爆热。
Now, a puff of air less than you used to blow up your balloon for your birthday is inserted, and Lin gets the bottom of the vase to mushroom out, and a graphite paddle starts to shape the bottom.
所以刚才吹水比较宽一点，在花瓶的底给它用平，这下他们要换位置到另外一个阶段。OK, he's ready.
Okay, so now Lin's requested a punty or a puntile. It's a small amount of glass that'll enable him to transfer the glass from his flow iron to this solid steel iron.
所以 skip 刚才说一点玻璃从玻璃面给它用平，它要过去放中间，马上会粘。就像Lin切一切，放1、2滴水在上面，碰到一点点。
Now, Diamond invented file creates a score line, and water that's applied to that creates a thermal fracture, stress, and that's where Lin will break the optic vase loose.
所以刚才钻的地方有一些不平的地方、尖尖的地方，所以要回去火炉再烧，给它融化，给它用平。现在Lin可以把上面打开。
So it's back into the reheating tank. This tank is fueled by natural gas and forced air, and Lin is now going to focus attention on the mouth of the vase.
Skip using the steam stick.
This is a steam stick, and it's a cone-shaped piece of wood that Lin will insert into the mouth of the vase. When it locks there, the water will superheat out, creating pressure, and it will make the vase open even more.
就像Lin用这个东西叫蒸汽板，这个板子有水，放进去的时候，那个水变成蒸汽，蒸汽就稍微可以再大一点在上面，等一下看。
Bright orange color tells us where all of the energy is. Now the steam.
再看，越来越大，在上面都是蒸汽用的。
Very dramatic. stainless steel jacks now are used to open up the mouth a little bit more.
人有差不多27年的经验做这样的工作，所以我们看他做好像很容易，相信不是那么容易。
Right here with the double doors below it is something called an annealing oven, and that oven, where this piece will be kept to cool overnight, it has to cool very slowly, 100 degrees an hour, otherwise it breaks apart.
用它的时候要放在背后炉，要在那边慢慢的降温，温度要慢慢的下来，这样放在桌子上在没有几分钟会破掉，一定很漂亮，可是它还要再把上面打开一点。
This tool is called Parchofi. They are jacks made out of wood, out of cherry wood. Lynn is very expertly opening up the mouth of that vase a little bit.
刚才用的东西也是樱桃木做的，还有一步，这次一定要看，它放进去转比较快一点，最上面会打开，拿出来放下去转会很特别。现在看。
Now you'll see a very dramatic opening of the vase as Lynn focuses the energy of the furnace on the mouth of the vase.
漂亮。再放1、2滴水，要准备放在背后。
Lynn indicates he's about done with the vase. It's going to be into the annealing oven. He's applying water that will thermally stress the bottom of the vase.
1、2滴水，放到一点点。漂亮的花瓶。
And then flame polishes the underside, or fire polishes to take away the sharp edges.
用火就在下面，就在用水马上放背后炉。
And into the annealing oven.
Lynn 做得漂亮。
Lynn LeVar, he's the best at what he does. Very glad to have you. The Mass Museum is glad to have you. It's the end of our show. We hope you have a good day here in Portland.
我们谢谢你们来，你们可以